American gun laws make our community any less safe, not honour the National Firearms Agreement, which was struck by a Liberal government. So we understand how important this is.
Holding Captiva. You're going the fucking wrong way. And you went the fucking wrong way again to get to there.
More than just education. Explore the opportunities the Hutchins School provides at our open days, March 18th and 21st. To book, phone the Hutchins School.
Your Porsche Cayenne demonstrator is all the worth without the wait. Packed with features and available now, it's ready when you are. Patience is overrated anyway. Search Cayenne demonstrators today. Limited stock available.
Fucking dumb shit.
Get on the road to adventure. You want a bit of adventure in your life, just get out.
Fully fucking red light and you fucking go through it.
Or purposely driving badly like that. Good job, not even looking. That made it look.
I know. Hey, this isn't a quiet car. It's fairly loud.
Hold on.
Fucking Jesus Christ. Turn the fucking corner on a red. Nice one. It's not like the light's gonna go now, you dumb fucks. There's another lane of fucking traffic. Who's got the fucking measurement dick? Both of you guys have tiny fucking ones. Now it's raining. And you're pulling for it.
fuck's sake.
I know.
This is a road, not a walkway.
I'm going that way. Fucking just go.
Even if they stop.
Yeah, because he's going up to the house that's across the street from us. Well, across the street and down the little.
Oh, well, down the little thingy.
Yeah.
Thingy. Come on. Absolutely come on.
So they have to be the ones that come and approach you.
No, you can approach them.
Well, Mark said I have to by law.
But
Just fucking
just go
try
forward.
and go the wrong way.
Stuff them.
Mark said that he had to give me the option if I wanted to or not.
Yeah, I know.
But, you know, I decided no, I wasn't gonna.
At the time, at least, you didn't.
Yeah.
Should have said yes in hindsight.
I
Mind
think
you,
the Falcon was moving. You just.
spastic. Just reverse and not even care we're coming.
Yeah.
Force their way out. Your WRX is shit. Fuck off.
Technically, you know, the amount of time that you spent here, it would have been easier for you to go left and then around the roundabout.
No, but he's an old cunt and doesn't know any better. People don't think logically like that. It's like, I have to go this way. It's like, why don't you go that way, go around the roundabout, and then you don't have to fight traffic? You know, logic.
Yeah.
Or that thing that's inside of your skull that I doubt should be there, that you put your brain.
Yeah.
Try and use it. I know it hurts.
Fair enough if it's like there's not much traffic, do it. Then, but otherwise, in my opinion, I'm the one type of person that'll go.
Just like to say one sentence about themselves?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
I have 2 children, 16 and 12.
Number one driving right in the fucking middle of the road. Just kept going up. And going up the wrong way. Fucking dumb shit like that. You get fucking people killed. Fucking Jesus Christ.
Stop being a fuckhead. Get out of the way, you retard.